Hello my lovely people, hope everybody is doing fine and you're enjoying this festive season with your loved ones. In today's video, I'm just so excited because I'm going to be showcasing some of the festive ornaments adorning my Christmas tree. The reason why I'm doing this is because I do have so many ornaments, and for some reason these ornaments resonate with me because they hold a unique story and they just add a touch of holiday magic. So sit back, relax and enjoy this moment with me. Guys, I will start with my first decoration, which are the stockings. So these are like 5 stockings. We normally put them at the fireplace, and why we do have these stockings is because each and every person normally have like their wish or something they wanted to buy for them, so we normally put it in the stockings. Then during Christmas day, which is 25th or 25th, we will open it, or 26th. If we don't do that, we're gonna do it together with Boxing Day. So that's why the stockings are there. Tell them we have 5 stockings. 5 stockings. Okay. Yeah, so you see we have 5 stockings. C is for Chris, my sweetheart, and my love of my life, my hubby. J is for Joy, mama of the house. M is for baby of the house. M and J is for Mercy and Joel, my younger brother and sisters. So what we're gonna do with these stockings, we're gonna put presents or gifts inside. Then on the 26th, when do you normally unbox them?
Christmas Day is 25th.
Yeah, so we're gonna open them on the 25th. So everybody's gonna take their stockings and see what's in the stockings. That's why they're there. So at the moment they're empty, there's nothing in here, but we're gonna stuff them with some gifts, little gifts. That is it about the stockings. And the tree is still going on. The tree is coming up. I apologize for the noise with Michael. Michael is so happy. He's always in a happy mood. So we're using these ornaments.
That's not a toy.
The gold and the red ornaments. Then after that we do have like signature ornaments.
Michael, that's not a toy.
You see, that's a different one. This is a Grinch with a box with some gifts.
Michael, come here.
Then this is my
We put your ornament on.
baby Christopher Crayola. Baby, what does 1992 signify?
From 1992.
This gift was bought in 1992. Ooh, he kept it so good. Okay. Then
Probably just broke this.
we do have this clear Georgia symbol because we're in Georgia and these people love their Georgia game. Oh, we do have this car over here. Our son loves cars, so we have a toy for him as a car. A little town of Bethlehem where Jesus was born. What else? What else? We do have several stuff here. We do have C for my baby Chris. This was given to him 2020. We have this light bulb, the Grinch. We have so many ornaments here. We have the baby bear. There's one with Michael's name. We have the Grinch town. Yeah, so it's a lot. Look, we do have the choo-choo train. And the best part of this tree is this, the star. The star. Yeah, you see, football season is on touchdown. This was given to me. This was given to me in 2019. It's mom who gave this to us, right? When I was pregnant. Yeah, this was given to me by my mom-in-law. This is so special to me, guys. This was given to me by my mom-in-law when I was expecting Michael in 2019. And it's just showing that we were due in May. So this is my husband, Chris, and this is me. This is pregnant me. Bam out. My mom-in-law is very thoughtful. You see, Chris is saying you're expecting. Then I'm saying the bump is out in 2020. Yeah, so you see, Chris and Joy. This is us, guys. Father Christmas, Santa. What is this? Let me see. This is just a naughty boy doing something in the forest.
Put that on?
Yeah. But that is it. This is my favorite so far. It reminds me when I was pregnant. Thank you, Mommy. We appreciate you, Mom. What is gone?
There's still some more.
Guys, I'm loving my Christmas tree and all the ornaments I've put on. I have so many that I've not even completed putting everything on this tree. But I would like you guys to share in the comment section below, what are some of your favorite ornaments you put on your tree that resonates with you? Until next time, remember to exercise acts of kindness to a stranger and enjoy the rest of your festive season. Bye.